Hey, Pete Pekulski here again, sales engineer with OnLogic. Today I'm really excited to show you our new AC101 1U half-depth rack mount server. We're really excited about this product and think it's gonna have a lot of really great applications, both in AI, machine learning, as well as some edge server work. So without further ado, let's take a closer look and show you guys what we're doing and getting really hands-on with this product. The OnLogic Axial AC101 is a 1U shallow depth rack mount server built around 13th gen Intel hybrid core processors. The system's available with a 4-core 8-thread i3 through a 24-core 32-thread i9. And this system can be configured with up to 128 gigs of DDR5 UDIMM memory and has flexible high-speed storage configuration options. It also features an expansion bay to support full height, full length PCIe cards, which complement the already well-appointed standard I/O found on the system. Environmentally, this fits within the standard rack and is built to operate in environments of 5 to 40 degrees Celsius, which is actually a bit extended beyond what is typical of most standard 1U servers. The high-performance desktop series CPUs, paired with a host of server features, make this a cost-effective yet high-performance workstation server hybrid, very well positioned for edge applications or anywhere that rack space is at a premium. The AC101 is 16.9 inches wide, 1.7 inches tall, 19.7 inches deep without a security bezel, or with the security bezel, it's 19 inches wide, still 1.7 inches tall, 21 inches deep. Taking a closer look at that security bezel, which is there to help prevent unauthorized access and tampering with the front ports and the buttons in the system, we use a barrel lock to secure the system. Pulling on the same side as the lock, the front panel comes off, and there we have access to your two USB 3.2 ports, your reset, device ID LED, and your power button. Additionally, you also have a retractable front service label which contains pertinent product information such as the system model, OnLogic serial number, and BMC MAC addresses. Then flipping the system around, take a closer look at the standard I/O on the rear of the system. Coming at it from left to right, we have single or redundant power supplies. We have your configurable COM port with RS-232, 422, or 485 supported, your VGA port, and this right here is your management port. The BMC management port is not an Ethernet port, but is instead used for system management functions such as IPMI, Redfish, or other remote management solutions. Moving along, we have two gigabit Ethernet ports, both Intel i210 chipsets, a display port, HDMI, and two 10 gigabit RJ45 ports, which utilize Intel's X710 chipset. Lastly, here's your expansion bay, which supports full height single slot PCIe cards up to 150 watts, such as the RTX A4000 GPU. Now let's crack it open and take a look at the internals. To remove the top, we need to loosen the tamper-resistant screw lock, disengage the top latch, and then the second point is a thumb screw located on the rear of the system. Sliding back the chassis top cover. As you can see, there's quite a lot going on in here. So in this video, we're just going to review some of the highlights and give you an idea of the types of standard configurations supported. For the full list of internal motherboard features and headers, please check out the product manual available right on the website. The first component I'd like to point out is this intrusion detection switch. In the event that the system lid is removed while power is present to the system, the intrusion switch will detect this event and the chassis intrusion sensor will be asserted. This event also is going to get logged into the baseboard management controller event logs. In the middle of the system, we've got our CPU and CPU cooler. Next to that, we've got 4 DDR5 UDIMM slots rated for up to 4400 megahertz and support both ECC and non-ECC memory with all of the supported CPU options. Continuing to my right, we have 4 Oculink headers that support PCIe 4.0 by 4. And we also have 4 SATA data headers here as well. The SSDs to pair with the Oculink as well as the SATA are located right here in the front of the system. And we've got 4 2.5-inch drives that can be mounted in here. Another notable feature is the adjustable fan cluster located right in front of the PCIe expansion bay. These fans can be positioned forward or back depending on the length of the PCIe card that's inserted into the expansion bay. Continuing our tour around the AC101 motherboard, we've got our TPM pin headers right here. We've got our by16 PCIe 4.0 slot right here, and also our M.2 primary storage drive located right underneath here. So there you have it. Hope you enjoyed this video and taking a closer look at the new AC101. We're very excited about this product and can't wait to see what you can build with it. Please be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this content and you'd like us to make more videos like this. So thank you again, and till next time.